Okay guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to remove a door Ajar switch. So it's this one right here. So I already went to AutoZone and bought a new one. This one. Okay, so you're gonna push this plastic and then turn the switch. And then this is the old one, and then I'm gonna adjust the new one. See, this is a 2003-4 Expedition, and then I'm just gonna put everything back together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my truck. Okay. Oof! There you go. We fixed the problem. As you can see, the door Ajar used to be like this, but on the passenger side, now it's good.